Hey, 1237 in Chicago. It is December 10th. We got Fed coming up soon here, top of the hour. All right, so diamonds have been the leader to the upside here. All right, today, you could go outside on the day, all right, if we want to get up through 480, but we seem to be chopping up right now. So this is kind of like, it's typically how it's going to get when you get closer to Fed. And it looks like they're definitely going to cut the rates by 25 basis points. We'll see what that brings us. 417 right now on the 10-year, and the dollar's been coming down all day. All right, so 2-1 inside right now, about 98 cents and change. All right, so keep an eye on those 10 years as we get closer. Tech names are really, really mixed. You got Palantir holding up pretty good, up $5 on the day for the most part here. It's up about $4.84. And then you got Microsoft, but they went into a deal with India, and that is why Microsoft is down this morning. All right, so spending some money on Microsoft. All right, so stock's kind of taking it on the chin today. All right, so Microsoft is down. Nvidia is really doing nothing at all. That thing is just real flat, as you see here, just chop, chop, chop. All right, got the move to the upside, and then just kind of you see it here now, right? Nothing doing there. All right, Salesforce is still holding up pretty well. It's chopping around as well. It keeps swinging around here, all right? CRM just took a 2-2 back down, all right, and was as high as 263.58. That was a high that we got a couple days ago too. Let's see, we got a little higher than that, all right? So this is the 212 on the daily right here. That high right there was 264.28. 264.28. So we didn't get that. We didn't get near that one, but she's been chopping around right now. Again, with the 2-2 back down now as we get a little nervy as we get closer. All right. Avgo just chopping around as well here. 2-1 inside, so that's an inside day today with Broadcom. Better day there, but just stuck inside, so really not doing anything there. Oracle's down $1.93 today, and that's 1-1 on the day. That's right, 1-1 on the day. Not much to talk about there. All right. What else? Amazon. We can take a peek at Amazon here. Amazon is coming back down right now on Amazon. After the 15ers, you just got a 2-1, 2-2 back down. All right, so kind of giving it up a shooter on the day here as we get closer. So Amazon, there you go. TJ Maxx is the beast, man. All right, another nice day there with the gapper up, holding up pretty good on TJ Maxx. All right, strong. Wanted to look at those Dollar Generals and those. They're not doing anything here. So there was the one yesterday, made the lower low today with the 2 down, and then kind of crept back in, and it hasn't really done anything since then. And we'll watch the Dollar Tree. That had the 1 day as well. All right, and there we go. There was the 2-1-1-2 back up. All right, so we've been calling for the 1-2 back up, and we did get it today now. I still think Dollar Tree goes higher here. All right, so back up to 125.79 with you is get. I think that one's good. Macy's is just continues to surprise with the 2-1-2 up again today. Really, really nice move here. Just continues to go higher here. $25 would be their next move to the upside there. All right, so XLP as we speak here. It starts to drop a little bit here now on your 30, dropping back inside here. Let's put the 30 up on here. All right, so you kind of dropping back in. It's been chop. Okay, Coca-Cola. Just doing nothing here right now. All right, staying down right now, trying to come back after a move to the upside. Just everything just kind of moving around. The VIX is slowly coming up here a little bit higher this afternoon. We're trading at 17 bucks and change, so not much there. Not making a ripple really too much. Avgo just turned around now, going back up to the highs. Get AVGO. Get. It wants to be a 2 so bad. Looks like it wants to go 2 up. This thing could bust out too. Keep an eye on that one. Healthcare came out pretty strong, but couldn't get the day. Couldn't take the lower lows. Going to be tough to get up there and get outside of that too at 152.56. All right, so XLV stuck inside the day, so that's the story there. You don't want to touch that business. All right. Energy kind of showed its muscle early in the morning here with the move up to start the day. It was actually the 222 back up, and then it's just been chopping. All right, chop, back down right now. All right, so looking through all the sectors, silver and gold just will not stop. Back up to the highs. We did make a higher high on the 2. All right, but we are 2 up, but we're red now and have come back inside. All right, so strong as hell. All right, gold. GLD, same thing there. Hasn't been able to take the higher high from yesterday, but it got the low. It kind of broke out yesterday's lows. Kind of sitting down there right now, dude. But I gotta say, with this Microsoft business down here, I think this is a decent spot, man. All right, stock's down 15 bucks today. So I'm already in it. So. I'm looking. This is a nice move to the downside. That's all I can say about. All right, Microsoft. That might be an opportunity right there. But we'll see. We shall see. All right, so let's just take a look at the futures, and we'll wrap this thing up. All right, so getting closer here now. 15 minutes till Fed. So SPY, as we get closer, oh Jesus, how did that happen? I hate when that happens. There we go. All right, so coming off the bottom of the broadening formation on the 15s right now, try to come back up a little bit on your SPY. Your 30 down, kind of stuck in the middle-ish, and your day is crappy. All right, it's just a doji. It's not doing anything. And then the biggest problem we have is the red week. Okay, that's our biggest problem right there, and our month is kind of holding on there pretty decently. All right, and QQQ right now got the 2-1 cooking, looking for that 212 back up. 623.24 right now. If you want to get outside of that day, it's going to take some work, guys, and that is going to take 624.67. So not horribly, about $1.50, about $1.55 away. All right, and the diamonds. So most of the sectors are kind of better today. I think that the industrials are going to appreciate a rate cut, I believe. So, and I think that's the reason why in XLI. Let's see, XLI here. You got that inside day, looking for that 312 back up. All right, so XLI, it's green. It's got a decent day, but it is stuck inside right now. All right, so we'll see. When Fed talks, we could get some outside bars, so don't freak out on those, especially on dailies. They might spike, you know what I mean, and then they might pull back in or whatever they might do. All right, but I think again, you got to wait and see what he's going to say when he talks after at 1:30. All right, so then you'll get a little bit more information. I see the Dow coming down as we get a little bit closer here now. So yeah, here's where we are, guys. Here's where we are right now. Our sectors are holding up pretty good. Diamonds are the last ones that need to go to the highs, and we'll see what they want to do here. All right, so get ready, coming soon. All right, about 12 minutes. All right, be good.